Managing participation of individuals in events. Connect will track the participation of individuals in union-sponsored events. These can be viewed and tracked from the individual detail page by going to the Events section. Opening the Events section will show you the events that this individual is associated with, whether the individual has declined the event or RSVP'd or attended. These options can be managed by a Connect user by simply clicking the appropriate checkbox. However, Connect also allows users to create events and to email them to potential attendees. Let's take a look at how we create and manage events. Begin by clicking on the Event tab. This will open up the Events Overview page that consists of a grid that displays all of the events currently associated with this affiliate, a filter option which will allow you to filter the data set in the grid, as well as the action bar where you can apply actions such as exporting data to the events in the grid, and the filters. To create a new event, click the plus sign and select Add Event. The first screen will ask you details about the event. For example, which local or locals do you want to apply this event to? For most users, there will only be the one local that you are associated with. However, a state federation may want to deploy an event to multiple affiliates. Let's go ahead and select our test local DC 101. And let's assign this event to all individuals in the unit, meaning that all individuals will be invited to this event. Next, we select the event type. Let's choose Rally, and the status of the event, meaning that it is currently active, but it could also be archived later on or canceled entirely. Let's give the event a title and a date. This could be an all-day event, but if we uncheck that box, we can pick a particular start time. We'll select 6 p.m. and let's select an end date and time. We could also add an event description, an event location, along with a street address. Let's go ahead and save this event. This event is now available for data collection. There are 3 different ways to enter data related to an event. Within the event screen itself, you can see a list of all of the people who have been invited to participate in this event. In this case, it's displaying the first 20 of 104 records. You can do data entry here. For example, if you know that Susan has RSVP'd to attend, you can select that. You can also use this option to indicate whether someone actually attended events. The second way to record whether or not a person is attending an event is to go into that individual's record and update it there. For example, if I go into Jessica Banning's record, I can scroll to the events section and update the information here. The third way to collect information on event participation is to email an invite to everyone who is eligible to attend the event. If they click through on the link in the email, they can RSVP to indicate whether or not they plan to attend the event. They cannot, however, indicate whether or not they actually attended. But let's take a look at how to do an email invite to an event. Begin by going to the Individual tab. You can filter your data set using the filter options to whatever group of individuals you want to email an invitation to. In this case, we are inviting anyone in the bargaining unit, so the default display is fine. The next step is to click Attach an Event. This will open up a new screen where you can select the event that you want to invite individuals to. In our case, it's the rally at the school board. If you plan to send an email, select the Compose Email button. The Attach section indicates all of the individuals who will be receiving this invitation or who will have this event attached to their records. To email this invitation to this group, select Compose Email. You can add additional people who you want to receive this invitation, such as yourself. Next, you can type in whatever information you want into the body of the message. Finally, just click Send Attach. This will send the email to all of the people on your list. If they click through on the email and select the RSVP option, it will automatically update the individual records.